This tutorial is about the worksheet summary. This is a customizable report that everybody can customize to design specifically items that are needed by them in a quick and easy to see report. This report is right here on your desktop. This hot button sort of looks like a basket weave button. To click on it, to open it, and this report shows all of your open worksheets. It's called Open Quotes Worksheet Summary. You can see the column headers up here. There's a scroll bar on the right to scroll down to see all the worksheets that you have in your SRA program, and the scroll bar on the bottom to scroll sideways. This report is easily exported to Excel by doing a right click and select Export to Excel. Any one of these worksheets can be easily opened by selecting it and double-clicking on it, and then the worksheet will open. The columns can be sorted by clicking on the column header, and if you click on it, it will sort by ascending and then sort by descending. The arrangement of the columns are what I meant by saying this report can be customized. To do this, we're going to close out of this specific report. Go up to the menu bar, and we're going to click on Reports and click on Worksheet Summary Preferences. This window that opens, these are the names of the columns that you see on the right panel here. Any items that you do not want to see in a column, we're going to remove and put on the left side over here. The items that we remove for the time being onto the left window can be brought back at any point in time. So this report is customizable and can be changed at will. Very easy. I'm going to use the Shift key and select multiple items at the same time. When I'm looking at this quick report, I'm really not too worried about the address at this current time. So I'm going to select all these address fields at one time using the Shift key. I'm going to click on the left arrow, and they will all be removed at once. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom because I do know that all these ship to addresses are down here at the bottom. And I'm not too worried about them when I'm looking at a quick report. So I'm going to use the Shift key again, and I'm going to remove the ship to addresses. I'm going to use this left arrow again, and I'm going to remove all of these from my quick report view. I'm going to go back up and take a look again at my columns that I'm looking at here, and I think I'll remove customer number and SIC code that I don't need to see them as well. So I'm removing them. What I'm going to do now is just click on Apply and OK. Going back over to my Worksheet Summary Quick Report, click on the hot button to open it up again. And you'll see my report is now changed. It is now customer name, contact, and fax and email, and then quote date and quote status. So this is easily changed. I can see that I don't have fax numbers and emails for these customers, so these perhaps aren't columns that I want to leave in my quick report. And that is very easily changed, again, by going back into my Reports, Worksheet Summary Preferences, and I can change this very quickly by selecting those two items, holding the Shift key down, and removing them, and clicking Apply, and OK. Going back to my Worksheet Summary hot button, and they are now removed. Also, in these quick reports, if you click on the Report button, you can see the Worksheet Summary. You can see your open quotes, your sold quotes, lost quotes, alternate quotes, and so on, by using the same arrangement that you have just designed. This, for example, is my sold quotes, and it's using the same columns that you have just designed in your report. Has all the same features with the scroll bars on the side and the bottom. You can do a right click on it and export the information to Excel, and you can also click on any one of these rows to open up that particular worksheet.